Hi guys, this is Fast on Ghana SM TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. So guys, the members of the New Patriotic Party are not happy. This afternoon, the NDC has shown them where power lies. Guys, we saw the youth organizer of the NPP at the High Court today, and they are not smiling. Guys, they are so sad about the fact that freedom of speech is under attack. Guys, ABRONYE sat on his radio station called OvER TV online, guys, to say a whole lot about His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the IGP. Guys, they have some critical questions to ask. Since when did freedom of speech, since when did insult become a crime in this country? Guys, they've been asking a lot of questions and they are so angry about the fact that ABRONYE was manhandled by the police. And judging from the fact that ABRONYE was put in a Black Maria, which is a car for hardened criminals. Guys, this is so serious. Mind you, ABRONYE DC petitioned a lot of embassies saying that his life was under threat. And we saw videos of Ghana police climbing walls of Moses Abo.
Sana, maybe Miluvers, Ashanuma, Aquafu Wall, Anna, Urafi, and Oma, Makolano, Okutu, and Omuji, the Wolfie, and phones. And Omubi, main door, no demona, Omura inside. Omura inside na, on the ball, me, the door, no, boom, 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 the boom, 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 boom. Mamsi, one no. No see police. I'm one no police. The mayor about who's what Pia. I foresee be sliding door no barco. And I'm see police. I there also open. Number be I made them a common feature. Many people I'm clean. Maybe
just to go and look for ABRONYE DC. ABRONYE DC availed himself to Ghana police, but looking at how he was handled at the court today should tell you that this season is not time for smiling. If you say film, you will hear film in prison. If you say whim, you will hear women in prison. Guys, just as the TikTokers were carried to the court, this is the same thing that happened to ABRONYE DC. And this ABRONYE DC's crime has been described as misdemeanor, and people are surprised about the fact that just insult could make somebody go to prison. Then what happened to the likes of Sami Jemfi? What happened to the likes of Mugabe Manson? What happens to the likes of NDC people who were insulting President Akufo-Addo in this country? Guys, watch how ABRONYE DC was manhandled in court by Ghana police, and watch how the agitation of Salam Mustafa, the youth organizer, and other members of the New Patriotic Party at court today. That's fine. Chairman, I'm not catching your wire.
Black Maria, is that criminal? Is that criminal? One day, we will put more people in jail. What is Is that criminal? Is that criminal? Misdemeanor case. Misdemeanor. Let me say something. Misdemeanor case. Let me say something. Is that how to behave? Is that how to behave? You see, there is misdemeanor. This is the nonsense we are seeing in this country. There is a clear cut. Misdemeanor. That's why we drop. We drop by this government. By this government, a crime in this country. When to tell people in this country, but it will never happen. When did insult become a crime in this country? Yes. When? It will never happen. Somebody should tell us. They want to guard people under this democratic era. We will never happen. Treating somebody like this because of misdemeanor.
Rafi, and Oma Makolano, Okutu, and Omuji, the Wolfie, and phones, and Omubi, main door, no demona, Omura inside. Omura inside na on the ball, me, the door, no, boom, 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 the boom, 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 boom. Mamsi, one no. No see police. I'm one no police. The mayor about who's what Pia. I foresee be sliding door no barco. and I'm a police. Adaya also open. Number be the media Makuma Mufita. Many people I'm clean. Maybe ABCBA any day. It will be Yana. I'm room so I'm Baba Sechi film. I'm say Baba Sechi Adam. And I'm room. I'm searching. I'm just Adam. I'm searching the man cafe. Now I'm share diamond now, share bathroom, share garden. And the next house no so you be and I'm rasa fi no no so. I could ball search. Now I'm beside a penny. I'm leader and catch them say. They are from police headquarters. Na omo ABRONYE chama ABRONYE am say na omanya information say ABRONYE wo me fie me na me keep ABRONYE am say chama ABRONYE de bono original chama be ban say na me keep ABRONYE wo me fie me bi wa me ti ase say bo search almost 1 hour fie no na echi no na gardens no money na minimum almost biana afi almost two muka na omodi phones no man kola no ana oboko enti so bisami adi ACN bra ewia o residence no.
But Moses maybe say almost bad here initially almost the search warrant HW say and that's almost indicating almost the identification you know say indeed almost a police for.
Police there, I think all the members of Accra and they are police officers from the Accra headquarters. Oman Chrem search warrants. Well, who the way Rambo style and wouldn't rough if there's a police warrant on the bomb door now quietly a BA now and I'm a bit some questions and some of my search, but it was a Rambo style arrest. Rambo style and would rough there wasn't any police warrant, but when yes ABRONYE the fee and I'm ABRONYE.
Yeah, because I know na kabi bisawi adai what the ABRONYE that close and I say ABRONYE taba ufi enti ayadina of all people who fear no ABRONYE.
I am even surprised. ABRONYE has never been in my house. For a long time, they had even set my eyes on ABRONYE. Maybe my friend Abibi or but say, and he's my party chairman. So this is what happened to me. My name is phobia discussion. So, the better choir, I mean, many justice Ghana because maybe one in here, and this will not scare some of us. We will not bring our spirit down. That's a party name. We are a spirit soon. The only type party. But I want to advise the president of the land and the Ghana IGP. We are all Ghanaians and yes, slaves.